Here are your problems 10 and 11 and 12 and 13. 10 and 11 come from a series of statements, P, Q, and R. The coffee is Maxwell House, the coffee is hot, the coffee is strong. You remember during our truth tables and the symbolic logic section that you had to take symbolic logic and turn them into sentences, and that's this exercise. And this first sentence says Q and not R. Q is the coffee is hot. So the coffee is hot. That's an and. And we have a negation. R is the coffee is strong. And the coffee is not strong. That's how you do number 10. Number 11, we have an if and only if, not P, so the coffee is not Maxwell House. If and only if. The coffee is not strong. That's two fairly simple logic sentences. I didn't put anything too complex on the actual final. Just want to review the basics, and this is a very basic understanding of symbolic language put into English languages. That's how you do those. 12 and 13, we move now into the world of algebra. The first one here, we're asked to evaluate the expressions at these points. So we have this expression here, and we have this expression here, and we're asked to evaluate it. The first one at x equals minus 2, and the second one we're asked to evaluate at x equals 3. So we're going to put minus 2 in there. So we have minus 2, and remember you squaring the minus 2. Squaring a minus gives you a positive. Minus 2 squared is equal to 4. So this gives you 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. And then on this one, we're not squaring a negative, but we do have a negative sign. Be careful with that. So we have 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus 8. That gives me 9 minus 6 plus 8. And that would appear to be 11. That's questions 10 through 13 on the practice test. Very straightforward symbolic logic, very straightforward algebraic expressions, substituting in a value for them. So here's the expression, put x equals minus 2 in there. Here's the expression, put x equals 3 in there. Just be careful with the signs. If you're going to square minus 2, then the whole thing is squared. Minus 2 times minus 2 is a positive 4. Just be careful with the signs.